3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9, right? 9 minus 2 cubed plus 2 times 3. Now 9 minus 2 cubed means 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8, right? 8 plus 2 times 3. Now 9 minus 8 equals 1 plus 2 times 3. Now 1 plus 2 equals 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. But this is wrong. Why? Because multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. But multiplication and division must be done after exponents, right? So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Exponents first, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Now let's solve this correctly. 3 squared means 9 minus 2 cubed plus 2 times 3. Now 9 minus 2 cubed means 8 plus 2 times 3. Now multiply first, right? So 9 minus 8 plus 2 times 3 equals 6. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. 9 minus 8 equals 1 plus 6, and 1 plus 6 equals 7.